The all-new 3-track GT-3400. There's nothing remotely like it. It's an all-new curb and gutter machine for the 21st century. Its development goals were safety, and along with safety is visibility. And it needed to be compact to have the ability to get in and out of tight parking lot situations. And of course, what Gomaco Curb and Gutter is known for: power, speed, and production. We believe that track guards, guardrails on the operator's platform, and e-stops are very important. Safety is a primary concern of our design team. Visibility was stressed over and over again in design pre-meetings. And what better way to accomplish the first two priorities than with a remote control? The remote control is lightweight and durable for job site conditions. We chose this remote control because it had the capability and the capacity to handle the complete package of functions for curb and gutter application. The controls are always with the operator. The operator has a choice to be on the ground or on the machine. The operator's platform on the 3400 is ahead of the engine. We went back to our roots and placed the platform up front, similar to the Gomaco GT-6000 and the Commander 2. We put everything the operator needs on the remote control. This little package has 21 toggle switches, 3 control dials, 5 indicator lamps, and 4 variable controls for the vibrators. Of course, the e-stop is right in the middle. Operators in beta testing say it's fun to learn and easy to operate, and they will not share. This remote features what is called frequency hopping. The remote is constantly changing channels. Every 200 milliseconds it changes frequency to maintain contact with the machine. Of course, if the remote should lose communication, the machine would automatically stop. The remote operates on an off-the-shelf 9-volt Makita battery. And the remote can be tethered to the machine for areas that do not allow wireless operation. The remote control on the GT-3400. The operator can be wherever he needs to be, see what he needs to see. The controls are always with him. Ultimate visibility and safety. The operating system for the GT-3400 is Gomaco's proprietary G21 control for grade, steering, cross-slope, reverse steer, and diagnostics. We have chosen to introduce the GT-3400 with a direct drive auger system for delivery of concrete to the mold. We chose this primarily because of the pitch and minimizing overall length of the machine. The auger hydraulically slides up to reduce transport width and slides down for hopper positioning when receiving concrete from the trucks, or slides up for minimizing clearance to trim to the end of a pass. The split mold system features an extra large capacity hopper. The mold profiles can be changed without changing the hopper and the vibrators. The GT-3400 features a new, heavy-duty Gomaco hook-and-go mold mounting system for quick setup. Simply hook the mold, lower the hold down, and go. The Gomaco Hook and Go. Four vibrator circuits are standard on the GT-3400. The electronic over hydraulic vibrator controls are at your fingertips on the new remote control. Gomaco patented the trim pave concept in the 60s. To provide maximum utilization of the concrete material. This machine features the latest in trimmer technology, a combination of horsepower management, torque, the diameter of the trimmer head, high tooth-tip rotational speed, and a piston-style drive motor in a closed-loop hydraulic system. All this makes this trimmer one of the most powerful curb and gutter trimmers on the market today, second only to other Gomaco models. The trimmer features a new heavy-duty hydraulic dual mounting system for side shifting and vertical movement. The GT-3400 features a new 3-track footprint with all-track steering. This footprint of 2 close tracks on one side and a single track on the other, with all-track steering, was chosen for tight turning radius capabilities, crab steering to the string line, and reverse steering for quick and easy alignment when getting on line. Moving from pouring curb on one side of the street to the other side and putting the machine on line is a one-man operation. Now it's quicker and easier with the remote control and the operator's ability to put the sensors online. Two-speed motors provide the fastest tracking speed in the industry at 125 feet per minute for job site mobility. The single track or center track side telescopes, and the GT-3400 gives you your choice. It can be ordered for right-hand or left-hand pour. With the Gomaco G21 on board, the GT-3400 features exclusive smart cylinders. These cylinders provide simple push-button steering setup. We now have a new leg design that we are introducing with this model. The legs are tube-in-a-tube, with bearings at the top and the bottom, eliminating any steel-on-steel contact. A keyway is utilized for steering, and no adjustment of wear pads is necessary. From a maintenance standpoint, the wear pads are low cost and easy to replace. The engine is a Caterpillar 3054E, the special Gomaco cooling system, and quiet operation package is standard. The GT-3400 will slip-form curb and gutter, and also slip-form safety barriers, sidewalk, and trails. The GT-3400 is all new from top to bottom, and nothing is remotely like it. It gives you the power of choice for curb and gutter from Gomaco, the worldwide leader in concrete paving technology.